I love you all my viewers, my followers. But sorry. Sorry. Every time I say sorry. Because how can I reply the message and calling? Whole day I'm busy. Of course in night I want to sleep early. I'm tired. Even my mobile is online in the night. I'm asleep already. I forget to off my data. Now, when I wake up in the morning, every morning like that, too much message. How can I reply one by one? My God, I'm stressed. I don't know how to reply one by one. That's why I never reply it. Sometimes if I'm sit down or I'm eating like that, I have time, 5 minutes or 10 minutes, I will reply like that. But I'm not replying all. You see, my mobile is hung. Sometimes it's hung already. Not only 100 messages every day my inbox. Maybe 200 messages like that more. Oh my God, how can I reply? Sorry guys. I'm very sorry. Every morning when I wake up, yeah, I own my mobile, my data. But I am only for exercise, live like that because I don't know how to doing. I don't know how to doing to reply of all of you. Sorry guys. Okay, bye. I hope understand me because I'm busy woman. Just support me please, my YouTube channel. Watch and subscribe. Mwah. Mwah. I love you all. God bless all. Hello guys. Good day sa ating lahat. Sana nasa mabuti kayong kalagayan na tulad ko. Meron din kayong kape at tinapay tuwing umaga. Kape tayo guys. Coffee, all my friends. Oh my God. Today is not, today is a good weather. Not too much cold. Very nice. This is samuni. Said here in Saudi is samuni, small samuni. Very nice. I put mayonnaise and I put in the, what is this? Arabic hamasa. In English, toaster. In Tagalog, I don't know. Ang Tagalog ng toaster. Pakurat ng ano? Pinapa. Every day 100 people to message me. How can I reply? I see my inbox now when I wake up. Full. Oh my God. Who first to message to reply? I'm stressed. I don't like to reply already. Oh my god. No need. Leave it. Alam nyo guys, pag nag-i-exercise kayo, talagang napapauhaw kayo kaya maganda sa health body. Tignan mo oh, puno ito eh. Ngayon yan na lang natira. Grabe. Talagang uuhawin kayo talaga. So, mag-ready na ako para maligo. Ganyan ako kasinop guys. Ready to take a bath. Maliligo na ako guys. Maligo na si Inday. Kailangan natin maligo. Kasi pag hindi tayo maligo, mga moy panis tayo. Ang pangit kayang magtrabaho ng hindi naliligo sa umaga. Ang sarap naman maligo kahit malamig guys. Kailangan natin maligo. Ako po. Ganito po ako everyday. This is my routine. Bago maligo, magligpit muna tayo sa ayusin natin ang kape. Ito yung mga teddy-bears ko. Tapos pagkatapos, perfume sila. Ito pong gamit ko na perfume. Victoria's Secret. Ito pang gustong gusto ko. Ang bango nito. Grabe. Talagang parang nakaka-inlove. Pag nagpabango ka ng ganito, oh wow. Nakaka-inlove ko talaga. Mga to, ang perfume ko lang dito sa kwarto ko. Tapos ito, mahal din. Kahit ganyan lang, cherry, mahal din. Ako din. Ganito ako dito, linilinisan ko muna yung kwarto ko bago ako maligo. Ganyan ako kasinop sa kwarto ko, guys. Ayaw ko yung kwarto ko mabaho, marumi. Ako, kung ano yung nakikita niyong linis ko, at syempre ganda ko. Ganon din ako kalinis at ka-stricto at kabango. Joke lang. Handa ko na ko yung gamit ko kasi liligo na ako, guys. Hi guys, tapos na ako nag-exercise. So, maglipit na ako ng hinigaan ko bago maligo. Hi, dear friends po. Pasensya na po, yun lang binabibigay ko sa inyo. Okay. So, lipit po ako ng hinigaan ko. Ito po yung pinapanood ko na ginagaya kong exercise. Nakakapasaro yung sound. Napapasayaw ako sa